Now, Bill, the issue of how these materials deals with specific issues, I want us to look at this a little bit more. So let's look at heat. There's been a number of conversations about heat and can you put your saucepan straight from your stove onto the countertop. How resistant and how do these materials deal with heat?
Well, my first comment, Ian, if you're taking something from the oven, don't burn your hands. If you need to put it down, you can put it down. You're safe. Okay. Then there's there is the frying pan that you've been cooking some oil or something been frying. It gets superheated. My advice to you: don't put that on any surface not made for it, like a hot pad, trivet. You want something that can take the heat. Now, people will say granite's made in a volcano. It can take any amount of heat. And that's true. Your granite has in a man-made sealer. Okay, that man-made sealer will be damaged by the heat. So you're not going to see it right away, but in the next couple of weeks, you're going to get staining in that position that has been damaged by the heat. So you have to bear these in consideration. The quartz is very heat resistant, but there again, there is a resin base in there that can be discolored if you're not careful. If you too much heat on a countertop is considered abuse. The Dacron will be the first to show it. But there again, the Dacron being man-made, we can polish it out. So it's not a long-term issue. But yes, stay away from putting something super hot on a counter, any counter, for a long period of time. Something you've been cooking at 350 in the oven, you take it out, you put it there for a couple minutes, it's not going to be an issue. But we've seen situations where people have brought a gas cooker inside that has a gas flame, put that on their countertop. That's abuse. You can't. I mean, that will leave a mark on concrete. So yeah, you have to be very cognizant of what you're doing. But general day-to-day kitchen work is not going to cause an issue.